Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix speaker not working on your LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3. So what we can do is basically start off with a restart. So it's actually a fix to a lot of glitches. So here we need to hold the power button on the side. Do not mind the Gemini popping up, just keep on holding, and now click reboot. Now all we gotta do is wait for our device to turn back on, so I'll see you guys then. So after restarting your device, if there's still no sound, then what you guys can try to do is basically check the volume levels in the settings. So go over to the settings right here. Now here go to sound and vibration, and make sure that the media volume and the notification volume are turned up to the max, so you guys will be able to hear it. Now if it still didn't work, then you guys can try and clean your speakers with a soft brush. It helps a lot when they might be stuffed with something, so it's good to actually clean them. And after you clean them, what you guys can do is try and check if any device is connected through Bluetooth. So I'll go to settings one more time. I'll show you guys. Here we have the Bluetooth at the top. Now make sure that it's either disabled or that no devices are connected, because the audio might be rerouted to them instead of the tablet. So make sure to disable the Bluetooth or disable any device connected to your tablet. Now what you guys can try to do is update the software. So let's go to settings, and here we need to scroll down until we see about tablet at the bottom. Now here when we have the system update, and it will check for updates automatically, so you don't have to do anything. As you guys can see, I have the latest version, so make sure that you do too. And if there's still issues with your speaker after you downloaded the latest update, then it might be the hardware issue, and I would recommend you guys getting it checked by the Lenovo customer support. So that'd be it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.